Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Mailchimp landing pages for UI improvements and testing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Mailchimp landing pages for UI improvements and testing, begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Campaigns tab in the main dashboard. Click on the Create Campaign button, typically located in the upper right corner. Select Landing Page as the campaign type. Choose a name for your landing page that reflects its purpose. Once named, select the audience you want to target with this landing page. Click on Begin to move to the landing page builder. Here, you will see various templates to choose from. Select a template that aligns with your UI improvement goals. After selecting a template, you can start customizing your landing page. Use the editor to add and edit text, images, and other elements as needed. Pay attention to the layout and design for optimal user interface. Make sure to incorporate responsive design elements to test on various devices. You can also add a sign-up form if collecting user information is part of your testing. Once you're satisfied with the design, preview the landing page to see how it looks. Click on the Preview button in the upper right corner for a full view. Make adjustments as necessary based on the preview. When ready, click on the Save and Close button. Now, to activate the landing page, click on the Confirm button. This confirms that your landing page is ready for publication. Once confirmed, your landing page status will change to live. You can share the landing page URL, monitor user interactions to gather insights on the UI improvements. Use the analytics provided by Mailchimp to evaluate performance over time. Adjust the landing page as needed based on the data collected. Repeat this process as you implement further UI improvements and tests. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.